Bruker has a choice of sample holders, from standard depth to deep well to allow for larger, irregularly shaped samples, to specific air-free sample holders with beryllium windows. Users are provided with access to the basic standard depth and deep well sample holders for use. Zero diffraction slides may be purchased that fit into the standard depth sample holder to allow for qualitative analysis of smaller sample volumes. Always wear gloves to prepare your samples. Ideally, samples should be homogenized and finely ground to a uniform particle size. This is not always achievable due to the nature of some research samples. Sample preparation should involve grinding in a mortar and pestle, or use of some other mechanism to homogenize the sample. Samples that need to be analyzed as is may be mounted in the deep well sample holder. In either method, the idea is to get the sample as even as allowable within the size of the sample holder. This ensures the proper sample height during data collection. Deviations from this, higher or lower, will result in 2 theta shifts of the observed peaks. The sample should be well packed in the sample holder. A glass slide may be used to assist. Log into the computer using the Bruker user account, password Bruker. Open the Diffract Measurement Center software app on the taskbar. The bottom light on the left panel of the instrument will be illuminated green when the computer is connected to the instrument. A dialog box will open asking you to log in. Your lab should have a login, which will be the last name of your advisor and then lab, e.g. the password will be last name lab, all one word, all lowercase. You may need to connect to the instrument by clicking on File, Connect. This will open a dialog box where you can click Browse and select D8 DaVinci. Once your sample is properly prepared and ready for analysis, click on the Commander tab within the Diffract Wizard software. Then, on the line for the sample position, click the drop-down box and move the stage to a position to access the sample holder location. Once this position is selected in the drop-down box, click the checkered flag button. Load selected sample into the instrument. Insert the sample holder by depressing the spring for that position. Make sure the sample holder is not sticking out past the edge of the sample tray, as this will cause a collision when attempting to load a sample.